In this video, I want to demonstrate some course management and maintenance. I want to look at 3 different areas. How to copy items from one itslearning course to another, how to move items within a course, and how to delete an item that you no longer want. Let's start with copying items from course to course. So here we are in my course, and I want to copy this recommendation engine training folder into another one of my itslearning courses. To do this, you're going to click on the folder that contains that item that you want to copy. It may be a folder itself. It may be the entire course folder. Notice this folder is contained within my course folder. So I'm going to click my course folder, and that's going to give me what I call a table of contents. It's literally just all of the items within that folder. I'm going to find my recommendation engine training folder, and I'm going to put a check mark in front of it. Now I'm going to go to the top of the table, click on the action button, and I'm going to choose Copy To. Notice there's 2 similar choices here, Copy To and Move To. Copy To means that you literally want to take a copy of the item that you've selected and put it into another location. Move To means you want to take that original item that you've chosen and literally put it somewhere else. So I'm going to choose Copy To. A pop-up will come up, and then the top drop-down choice, you'll see all of the courses that you're a teacher of in itslearning. So you'll select the course that you want to move the item to, or copy the item to, I should say. You'll see a list of the folders that are within that particular course. If you want the item that you are copying to go within one of those folders, choose the folder. If you want it outside of those folders, just hit copy. Itslearning will process and actually make a copy of that item in your other course. The next thing I want to look at is Move To. Now there's several different reasons why you might want to move things around within your course. You might want to just reorder items, or you may have gotten a little messy and you've got items outside of folders and you need to put them inside folders. So let me look at both those ideas. If you look over here in my tree, I've got a folder called Examples. Well, I want these examples to be up right here above my Level 2 training folder. So one option that I have to help move things is simply click on the item and drag it. And as you drag it, you'll notice the little line there. That will tell you where it will be located when you release your mouse button. So if I release here, notice Examples has now been moved right below the Level 2 training items. So that's one option. Click and drag. The second option that you can use is back on that table of contents page with the action button. So once again, I'm going to click on the main folder of my course so I see all of the items within my course. Let's say that I want to move these 5 items here and put them inside that examples folder. To do so, I would check the box in front of each of those items. I'll go to the Actions button, and I will choose Move To. Once again, I literally want to change their location. So I'm going to choose Move To. When the pop-up comes up, this time I'm not going to change courses. I'm going to leave it on the course that I'm in, but I want to put those in the Examples folder. So I'll choose the folder where I want them to move to, click Move, and then notice those 5 items are gone. If I click on the Examples folder, I see those 5 items within that folder now. So click or drag or use the Move To option. Another way to move things is this Reorganize choice. Notice if I click Reorganize, it's going to give me all of the items within the folder that I was in, and then I could click and say I want the Padlet sample at the top, and just click to move up or move down, and then save, and it'll keep those items in whatever order you've just moved them to. Lastly, I want to show you how to delete an item. A few different ways to do this. First off, if you click the folder that contains the item, you will see that table of contents, and notice over here on the far right, you have an X for every single item. If you click that X, itslearning is going to ask you, do you want to delete it? You can say delete, and then that item will be removed. Additionally, if you're actually in the item itself and you're looking at it, if you go to that settings wheel in the upper right hand corner, you'll have the choice to delete the item there as well. I hope this video helps you with your maintenance of your It's Learning courses.